Hello everyone, hi, I'm Prapti, a first year physiotherapy student, and hope you're doing fine. And welcome back to a new video. So, first, my hair looks very bad. One second. Okay, so today is 9th of October, which is a Thursday, and here we are. It is very early in the morning. It is 5:30. I every day wake up at 6:45, but today at 5:30 I am ready. I've already taken a shower. I have not washed my hair. I washed them like yesterday, but whatever. So now basically what happened yesterday, I was feeling very not nice about anything. I did not feel like studying or anything. So I just decided I'll sleep super early. So yesterday I slept around 9:45, 10 को मैं सो गई थी. Usually I sleep like 11, 12. But yesterday I slept very early. Hence I have woken up very early today. So now that we have woken up early and I have already washed my face, brushed my teeth, and have taken a bath. So what will I do next? I'll of course sit to study because exams prelims are coming like in 20 less than 20 days now. So we really need to start studying for that. मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा चालू किया है. It is not like very at a good pace or anything like that. So I have to get started with that. So अभी मैं यहाँ पे मेरी anatomy की book लेके बैठी हूँ because we'll sit and study anatomy. And what is so special to be vlogging about today? So basically, we are the first years, like we have just entered the college, we khatam hone our first years. But our interns like are super 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 seniors. तो हमसे 3-4 साल बड़े हैं वो लोग का is like the last day of college today or something like that. So we have like a whole function in auditorium where we like the seniors have some oath taking ceremony and उनका पता नहीं कुछ तो graduation वाला जो thing होता है वैसा function है. But we as first years are also invited there. Also I am in a committee also तो उसका भी I have to go थोड़ा do work and everything. So I'll take you all along there. So for now, we will study. Also, I'm wearing this t-shirt. When I leave for college, of course, I'll change back to my kurti. But for now, okay, guys, see y'all in sometime. We'll sit to study. First, I want to make like a to-do list for the day. तो एटलीस्ट पता चले कि कितना काम होगा रात तक. And I plan on studying after college very properly today because yeah, every day I'm not able to study only because I come from college and I'm like very tired and everything. I'll just see my phone, do time pass, and then I'm like, बस अभी पढ़ा नहीं जाएगा अभी सोना पड़ेगा. So now we really need to start studying and have a plan because if you know, whatever. So yeah, let's get started with anatomy. I have just made like a rough to-do list here and now we will get started with the work. I studied for some time and then I was just feeling very sleepy and everything. So I thought I'll take a break. But in the break, like instead of resting, I ended up sleeping for like 15-20 minutes, like a short nap, which I feel is okay. Now we are getting back, and then after one more session, we will start packing for college and everything. Again, we'll continue anatomy only, but I completely forgot about one thing, that how I can actively try to study. Yes, later अभी थोड़ी चलती नहीं है, but still, like I'd like to write things इसमें, and then shit, this is not getting erased. No clue how to get this done. Whatever. So if this gets erased, so we can like write on this or what has happened to this thing. Leave it. We'll still figure out how we are studying. Let's get started. We won't find any random reasons to not study. Bye. I'll get back to studying. After just 1 minute of trying. What is today's date? 9th of दिख रहा है क्या पता नहीं क्या दिख रहा है, but never mind, let's now get started. Bye. 9th of October. दिख रहा है क्या पता नहीं क्या दिख रहा है, but never mind, let's now get started. Bye. 9th of October. दिख रहा है क्या पता नहीं क्या दिख रहा है, but never mind, let's now get started. Bye. 9th of October. दिख रहा है क्या पता नहीं क्या दिख रहा है, but never mind, let's now get started. Bye. Hi guys. So I have changed into my kurti. This is how I look. I've just combed my hair also. They look very nice for now. So we are packing my bag because we are getting late. This is my bag. So in the first half we are supposed to go to auditorium only. So I feel the books I need today should be less. So segregating my books. I don't need this. If I'm really planning to, wait back after college to study physiology because ghar aake I'm not able to study at all. So for that, one second. We also have a ma'am's lecture in the evening for which I need one notebook. I'm taking that notebook as well. How do we look? We look very fine. By the way, I love to dance also. I have a lot of hobbies. Some I show on internet, some I don't show on internet, whatever. So now बैग्स तो एनाटॉमी की बुक नहीं लेके जा रही हूँ. सुबह को एनाटॉमी पढ़ा फिर शाम को मैं एनाटॉमी नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगा. ये स्लेट लेके जाओ क्या? नहीं चाहिए जाने. Keeping them aside now. Wearing my watch. By the way, these days while climbing in train, I have been removing my watch because एक दिन it was this close to falling, but फिर वो कोई तो आंटी के बैग के वहाँ पे अटक गया और else I would have lost it. Should I do a half pin today? Or should I do an half pin after reaching college? Because train mein half pin is kind of difficult. So we'll do it later. So attaching my very favorite here. I hope nothing happens to you. My pouch. How can we forget my pouch? भाई और एक ये I have this list of names here. तो वो भी लेना है. It is related to like I told you all ना कि आज वो oath taking ceremony and everything is there. तो oath taking ceremony है उसके related है. This light bed. Whatever. What else? Let me take my comb also. Let me take this book also. And let me take a extra pen also. And an extra rubber also just in case I want to tie my hair. Of course I'll tie my hair. I haven't bought my tiffins. Oh, I haven't even charged my headphones. Yeah, 1 second. Where are my headphones? I'll get back. मुझे headphones खबर है कैसी हैं? और मैं डबला डुबला कम नाम क्विकली पैकिंग माय टिफिन. इसमें नींबू पानी होता है, एक बॉटल में सादा पानी. लाइक नॉट नेसेसरीली नींबू पानी, लाइक एनी टाइप ऑफ ऐसा वरियाली वाटर नींबू पानी समथिंग लाइक दैट. And here we are ready now. No, how can we forget skincare? Quickly, my mother is calling me for breakfast. After that, I'm also supposed to reach early today because हमें जल्दी बुलाया है. So I'm skipping the serum today. I'm only applying sunscreen. This serum a little late. मेरे बाल में चला गया है. Sunscreen I feel make my skin go for like 10-20 seconds, then it just absorbs in. Whatever. Now we are ready to leave. So let's go. Hello. We are leaving. I was supposed to reach by 8:45, but I'm late. मैंने clock 8:05. I hope I get good trains. वैसे फटफट मेरा because of course no one comes on time, but you should be punctual, which I agree upon. But today I'm not. Why is this collar getting so weird? Every day this happens. Max got the at Kurla station for some reason. There is no place for me to climb further. Reached Guys, I'll show you all something what just happened right now in 2 minutes.
Even I
Hi
wanted
guys.
to eat yaar.
ये पिया को कुछ खाना है, leave that. So Tisha in the morning told me that she's not coming to college and everything. Then I told her कि देखो आना चाहिए. She's like yeah I know but still I'm not coming. फिर I'm walking. हाँ हाँ ठीक है. So now she has come. Don't know why, but she's not.
So you leave after break?
She won't leave. वो सिर्फ बोलती रहती है. तो तेरे को लगता है लवलीन मैम मेरा ब्लॉग देखेगी नहीं?
वही तो. हाँ सारी टीचर्स देखती है.
हाँ अच्छी बात है.
मैंने देखा था एक दिन नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त किया. इंटर्न्स के पेरेंट्स भी आएंगे.
हाँ. Now we have come to the Audi and यहाँ पे हम सब बैठे हैं. यही हमारा ग्रुप है. हाँ, लाइटिंग है.
Deja vu type of thing.
ICPT. Yeah.
But I was not there. I'm very early guys. ये लोग आए हैं.
कुछ भी
और
सब
फिर मैंने सबकी जगह रखी और फिर मैं मेहनत करने आगे चली गई.
झूठी. ये बहुत चिल्ला रही है. थोड़ा आराम से बोलना होता है.
Manifesting this so
Oh my god, how she's overly very excited for all this, but I'm not. Backstage क्या पता.
I request all the interns. It is the day that marks the culmination of the years of
other students who are here and my dear parents. It's your day today, so I'm
do something different. The pattern of growth is different in the.
Have a look at this. यहाँ पे ऐसा सा फोटो बूथ बना है which looks very okay. और यहाँ पे इंटर्न्स लोग फ़ोटो निकालेंगे. पता नहीं वो लोग क्या करेंगे. Then I'll show you something else also. वहाँ पे वो लोग ने रंगोली बनाई है ऐसे for welcoming happy graduation.
irrespective of their race, religion, nationality, or socio-economic status. I
Nothing is seen, nothing right. Box.
See again I'm with beard.
The same T-shirt also.
No, that was pink.
Shut
This
up.
is grey.
This is something I have gotten in the dabba. Let's shut it on. Now we are reaching early.
And
Hi guys. We are back in the classroom. और हमारा जो भी वो टेकिंग सेरेमनी था that's done. हमारा इंटर्न्स का था जो हमने अटेंड किया वो हो गया है. And now we came and we had our lunch. We are sitting in AC, but Prapti, she's working really hard. Food committee. I just bringing one packet for us. One packet.
ये अंगर बेकरी वाला तो खा लेना, समोसा मैं खा लूँ.
Okay. And we are recording this video to tell Prapti
Kudos
you're
to
working
Prapti,
hard.
yes, kudos to her for working.
Yeah, and we are securing our screen time.
कुछ तो काम के हैं हम, सारा रिकॉर्ड हम कर रहे हैं ताकि उसके लिए अच्छा
ये
कंटेंट
हमको
जमा कर
एक्चुअली
सकें.
हमको ये सबमिट करना है 4 साल बाद, इसीलिए
ईशा लग गई है काम पे.
इसीलिए हम वीडियोस ले रहे थे कि हम 4 साल बाद का सबमिट करते हैं.
काफी बार आ सकते.
अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको दिखेगा प्राप्ति का. बाय बाय. Here is Prapti. You have worked hard. Congratulations. And this is Sarthak.
इन्होंने सारे बॉक्सेस उठाने में काम किया है, इनका भी कुछ योगदान है.
He has worked hard. He has also worked really hard. So we made a kudos video for her. A gratitude video.
What? Show her that video.
We are giving a vote of thanks to you that you have worked hard. So say bye to guys now and do this.
दो डब्बे हैं. So currently we are walking to the station from our college. After the OD we went to college in the second half because we had lectures and everything. So abhi we are going back to station और फिर घर जाएंगे. But in college something happened. Ma'am kind of yelled. Oh hi guys, now we are going back home. I'm in train right now. So after the Audi, like we had to go to the, what do we say, we had to go to class because we had lectures. So after the college we were supposed to go to college because we had lectures and everything. तो उसमें हमारा symposium था. Like मुझे था कि symposium होगा, but I thought कि first half का second lecture होगा. I genuinely thought that. And I did not realize कि अभी after the break का second lecture होगा. I was not prepared and हमारे team में से also one person was absent today, तो उसका भी starting का part, opening part was his only, whatever. So then we decided कि okay fine, we'll try our best to do. तो हमने दूसरे लड़के को बोला कि हमारे लिए कर. And then he tried but he couldn't do it. Then I went and did the goniometry part, which went fine. After that, ma'am ne bola next now. So now we are supposed to do something else, but we were not prepared. Only we did not have pillow anything. And I mean I tried to do, but then मेरे दिमाग भी नहीं चल रहा था because my topics were completely different than what I was performing. So if they would have asked me to do my topic, I feel I would have done it better. But अभी इसमें मेरे से नहीं हुआ अच्छे से. So leaving that apart, then I was like ठीक है. फिर ma'am was kind of थोड़ा सा yelling at me and I did not feel very nice about it. Then all of us group people also had a discussion and everything. So that all happened. So now we did not finish our symposium and I was the only person doing, and Tisha, and we also have Vaishvi here. They were like in the audience, so now they'll give their inputs on what they felt about the thingy. उसके बाद हमने muscle tone and everything practice किया. Then I was feeling fine, but at that moment I was not feeling good at all. ले, तू खा ले, तू बोल दे.
So yeah, so hi guys. So I know this that Prapti worked very hard for all of this, and she did give us yeah obviously on her part, and then she obviously planned everything with their group members, and उसने बताया था हम लोग को कि क्या मैं बोलने वाली हूँ, कैसे बोलने वाली हूँ. उसने बहुत बार प्रैक्टिस किया था, तो उसने बहुत अच्छा किया था उसका पार्ट जो प्रिपेयर किया था. बट आई फील थोड़ा मैम का भी थोड़ा था मूड, तो मैम बहुत ज़्यादा ही इन लोग पे चिल्लाई, तो थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन हो गया. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल ऑफ द ग्रुप मेंबर्स थोड़ा हो जाता है. आई मीन काफ़ी लोग एब्सेंट थे, वो लोग 20 लोगों का ग्रुप था बट काफ़ी एब्सेंट थे, थोड़ा सा मिसकम्युनिकेशन हुआ. बट आई फील इट्स फाइन, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी, एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट शी इज़ हैप्पी नाउ एंड शी इज एक्सेप्टेड दैट थिंग्स हैव गॉन वेल. It's a good thing. Passing the mic to Tishu. To Chas feel.
Hi guys. I agree with Vaishvi. We know yesterday they were going to have their symposium and they are prepared. I am very serious right now, please. So they had prepared their symposium yesterday. और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से practice भी किया था. Everyone was very hyped and ready. But वो कल हुआ नहीं. There was some confusion. इन लोगों को याद ही नहीं था कि आज इनका symposium होने वाला है. So they didn't really prepare जो absent रहने वाला है उसका part. But I feel they still tried. At least they tried. They didn't give up. They weren't like कि हम कर ही नहीं पाएंगे ma'am. But they still tried. It's okay. I feel this is going to happen in your life 4 years. बहुत सब होने वाला है. But they tried. Prapti tried really well. I'm proud of her. So it's okay. And I feel कि इनका जब वापस symposium होगा तो ये लोग फाड़ देंगे. I am so sure. And then she'll make a video of that. And then she'll post that how happy she is now. Good. Okay guys, so that was it, and now I've actually understood, I've realized that I was not really feeling very good about everything. But now that after some time I'm like okay, hota hai, I'm in a profession where things will not always go right and I will want to be always be able to perform well and everything, and few teachers are there who will make you better. It just makes us better for the future and everything. So I'm like fine, ठीक है. Yeah, I agree. So I'm like fine now, चलेगा. And yeah, चलो. Thank you so much. Bye. ત્યાં સનલાઇટ બહુ ગંદી દે રહે છે. વધારું ગલું એવું એટલું જીરાફ જેવું લાગે છે ને. Oh my god.